Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Mia. This week we have Nick Douglas, who's another agent on our team. And this week he actually wrote an offer for a client, got them under contract, and they were up against 40 other offers.
40 offers, yeah.
That's crazy. That means there's 39 other people out there right now still looking for the same kind of house. So, I wanted to ask you, buyers are really worried that they'll have to overpay in this market. Was that your experience with this offer?
Truthfully, we weren't even the highest offer. We were the second highest.
Wow. So it was really more of your terms that helped you then.
Absolutely. My buyers were incredibly flexible, and we were able to afford the sellers a 30-day rent back. We were able to close quickly. We did an info-only home inspection, and that's really what won it. We were providing the sellers with an easy, efficient transaction, and that's what helped our price, which may not have been the highest, stand out among the other offers.
That's amazing. So right now, most buyers are writing 4 or 5, 6, 7 offers to win. Was that your experience with this client?
Actually, no. This is the first offer that we wrote for that buyer. We did one showing, one offer, and we got accepted the next day.
That's amazing. That's awesome. You're a rock star agent. Look at
Thank you.
So do you have any other advice for buyers that are maybe just getting started or afraid to jump into this market?
Yeah, talk to a realtor and start building that relationship. It's super important to work with an agent that's going to build strong relationships with other agents and always have your best interest in mind.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for that, Nick.
And thank you for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll see you guys next week.